Hey guys, Ben here with Reclaimed Living. What you're looking at right now are two French doors. These are patio doors made by Marvin. They are very heavy, and I picked them up for free because they're changing their doors to the sliding doors. I actually like these. They're solid. They're about an inch and a half thick, and they're double glassed and insulated, and they're gonna go right here into my kitchen area. The doors with the frame comes out to about 74 and a quarter. So the only thing I can do, well, there's a couple of things I can do. I could open all this up, make it larger, and deal with my siding. I would have to cut the siding and do that, and then I would have to remove the 2x4s on the inside and open that up too. That would be a pain in the butt because then I have to get the trim for the siding to match up. So my other solution is to take a 1/2 inch off the edges where the hinges are, 1/2 inch on both sides, and that should get me where I gotta go. I think that's the best solution, because after the 1/2 inch, then all I'd have to do is get the hinges back on, recess the hinges about an 1/8 inch into the door, and I should be fine. So that's where I'm at, and it's a project, but hey, I got them for free, and these are very expensive doors. Okay, so I use my skill saw here to take off about a 1/2 inch off each door. Let me show you that. This is part of the door, the one on the side, and there's your 1/2 inch, and that's the other one. So let me show you. Here we are with the frame, how it's going to fit on there. Now I have about, with the frame on, I have about 73 and a quarter. And my opening is 74. So with about a 1/4 inch on each side, I should be fine. 1/4 inch is, well, maybe a 1/2 inch total room up in between the center of the door here, because right now I have it slapped on. So I think I'll be okay now. So the next thing will be to remove the sliding doors. I think I'll do that tomorrow. I've done enough for today. I may do a few more things, but that's it for now. Okay, so I'm unscrewing the brackets that hold in the sliding doors. This one that I unscrewed is the permanent one that does not slide. Let me show you. I did it down here also. Okay, and then I open this guy up. Take a look at all this wood rot. Isn't this lovely? Look at this. Look at this. That's wood rot. Dead wood, Jack. Dead wood. So that's what I'm up against right now. And I'm gonna remove these guys and then I'll start removing the frame, which is in bad order, as you can see. I don't know how old this door is, but I'm thinking at least 20 years old. And that's where I'm at right now. The permanent window door is off. And now I'm gonna work on the other one. Well, the doors are off. And the gloves are off. Time to remove the frame and get that moving in the right direction. And hopefully there's no more wood rot in between, and hopefully that the doors will fit with the measurements that I kind of put together. So here we go. I remove the aluminum threshold. All this wood here, there's nothing left but mulch. This is where the lock was. As you can see, there's nothing left. Look at this. This is supposed to be wood. It's all wood rot. I'd rather have wood rot than termites, but anyway, that's where I'm at. The frame behind it, the 2x4s, are in good shape, as you can see so far. And I'm ready to take it all apart. Water rotted boards, and I'll take it from there. Okay, so I had to remove another board just out in front of the deck. That was all rotten, but the boards that are in the kitchen are okay, so I'm happy about that. So now I got to replace the old. So I just installed pressure treated wood. Take me right to the end there. And that's it. Now I'll continue doing what I need to do. Shore things up. And we'll take it from there. Okay, this is the top part of the frame for the door. As you can see, here is where the sides fit right into it originally on this old Marvin door. But it's not going to fit in the opening I have. I have to take off a ½ inch of this and then cut back down about a ½ inch. Leave this open, then I got to take a ½ inch off here. So I view what I do. So I took about a ½ inch off, maybe a little less, and that's it. Now I got to cut ½ inch off here, right where basically the holes are, and we'll take it from there. I got to do this on both sides. The other side's done too, as you can see, and I still have to cut the other ends, but I'm going to do that with a saw so I can cut it evenly and flush. Okay, I took ½ inch off on both sides. I put it back together again the way it kind of was before I took the ½ inch off, so that it would now fit in between the 2x4s. Because I had told you previously that I cut the doors off a ½ inch on each side so that it would fit, and I put this I'm putting this batten across so that it'll stay together and it won't be too flimsy. I'm gonna pin it with my nail pin gun just to hold it so I can work it with it from there. I will have to shimmy it to get it right, to get it plumb, to get it level, and that's where I'm at. And the door's right here behind me, behind door number 1 and door number 2. No great prizes, just maybe a cold one after all this. It's getting a little later in the day, and I'm pretty tired. Okay, I got the frame in. It's very snug, and I think I'm done for the day because I cut myself up pretty good with my grinder. I had lent it to the fabricators of my quartz countertop, and I didn't realize that the disc was loose that I originally had on it, and I was cutting something to make it fit, and there it is. Cut, cut, cut. Can you core the apple? Yeah, I can core a finger, that's for sure. That's it, I'm done. I'm gonna just close this up maybe with some plywood or something, and that's it, done. I decided to put the doors up because it would be a big pain in the butt to seal it up with plywood. So I got the doors up, a couple of hinges on each door, but I've got a lot of adjustment to do. At least they're up, and now I got something to work with. It's kind of like a foundation. Got it up, the frame is up, that's the foundation. And then I'll get it all together tomorrow and finish it up. I'm done. Time for a cold one. Jack. Okay. Sunday, and I've been doing a lot of work on the door. Trying to make it permanent. Run to Home Depot, pick up a few things. As you can see, I have the locks in. Everything works. The doors close really well. I have the Trex here because I didn't want anything to get rotted like it previously was. And this particular door, I want to show you something. As you can see, the sweep is right on it. It's right on it. And that's because that door never really moved where it previously was. Whereas this one, you can see there's an opening there. So I'm going to have to take it all off so I can put one run all the way across. I need to put one down, a threshold all the way across. And I'm gonna have to figure that one out. But other than that, as you can see, closes well. And I gotta secure it down here. As you can see, there's nothing there. Let me show you upstairs. Upstairs there is one. It's in now. And now it's off. Whoa. You hear that? That's the sweep. That's all that is. Sweep. See? It's really all over it. Very tight. That's it for today, done. Here, one more thing. I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. As you can see, out to the yard. And let me show you how she closes. Nice. See? Sealed all the way down. All closed. Nice. Hopefully I don't get any rain tomorrow because I'm really not finished out there. I still need to caulk around the trim. Alright guys, have a great day. Well, I finished with the trim, and I also added the sweep so that it seals the threshold area. I'll show you that. With the trim, I basically picked up on the blue trim. The trim is vinyl, so I can't get it waterlogged. I'm gonna have to caulk the inside here, up and down and all around, besides painting it. And let me show you down here. The threshold is right on it now. Seals it up pretty nicely. And that's it. You know? A free find from Craigslist. That's it. So if you like my videos, if you're learning, if you're you find it interesting, subscribe. You'll get notices, and you'll know when I do things. Basically once a week. And hey, you can do it yourself. You gotta dig in. Enjoy the ride, folks. God bless.